Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to block GoGuardian on a school Chromebook. So first of all, open any of your browser. I'm currently using Chrome, and then bookmark this tab. And let's say save this bookmark by AAA and click on done. After that, you can open your bookmark from here. As you can see, that is here, or if it is not visible here, you can click on three dots, click on bookmark and list, and here you will see bookmark. Simply right click on it and click on edit, and when you edit, change the URL to this code. You can copy this code, JavaScript 1 before unload I bigger than 1. You can copy this code or write it down, that is your choice. After that, click on save. When that is saved, so open a new tab and search anything like just random words. And when it is done, open the new tab, right click on bookmarks, bookmark and list, right click on it and simply delete that bookmark. After that, close all the previous tabs, open the new tab and search anything, and your GoGuardian will be blocked completely.